Welcome back to another video of Virus Steno. I hope you all are doing great. अगर आप एसएससी स्टेनोग्राफर डी ट्रिपल एस बी एम्स हाई कोर्ट एंड अदर स्टेनो एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो ये ऑफर आपके लिए है। आज से यानी कि 25 जून से 27 जून तक आप सभी को बैचेस पर मिल रहा है 100 रुपीज़ ऑफ। बस आपको एक कूपन कोड यूज़ करना है MAX100 और साथ में यहाँ पे मिलने वाली है आपको लाइव क्लासेस, डेली प्रैक्टिस, रेगुलर टेस्ट, परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस और कंप्लीट मेंटरशिप। और एक और बड़ी न्यूज़, 29 जून रात 12 बजे स्टेनो मित्रा सब्सक्रिप्शन लॉन्च हो रहा है, जहाँ पहले 2 यूज़र्स को सिर्फ ₹1 में एक्सेस मिलेगा। ऑफ़र लिमिटेड टाइम के लिए है, इसलिए देर मत कीजिए, अभी ज्वाइन कीजिए और अपने सिलेक्शन की तैयारी को नेक्स्ट लेवल पर लेकर जाइए। Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds to go. Start. Mr. Chairman and friends, I am happy to welcome one and all of you, and especially welcome the chairman of our group and founder of this company. I am glad that I have got yet another opportunity to meet you all at this annual general meeting of your company held 10 days ahead of what we did last year. I am extremely happy that our chairman has been able to be present here amidst his various engagements. The report of the directors and the audited accounts for the year ended 31st December have been with you for quite some time now, and with your permission, I shall take them as read. The director's report with certain special charts added this time and my letter of the 10th June have clearly brought forward the various highlights of the working of your company during the year. It could be seen there from clearly that continuously for the third year in succession, your company could maintain its all round excellent growth, which may have rightly described as a shooting star, and still present you the audited account in this record time. There is no doubt that the entire team of officers and staff of your company continued to work during the year with a sense of urgency and on the basis of war footing, of which I have been speaking to you all along. The result has been an excellent increase in deposits from 10 crores to 30 crores. In fact, during the year, your company was able to mobilize as much as about 20 crores as fresh deposits from as many as 30,000 depositors. I may say that no other finance or leasing company in the country can boast of such an achievement. More, we had to the benefit of renewal as much as rupees 10 crores during the current year. The refunds were only the tune of 5 crores. The figures given here indeed speak volumes of the trust and confidence that the depositing public are increasingly having in your company. And all this is in spite of the keen competition for available funds from our public, there is another interesting feature, that is our best service to the depositors is getting increasing recognition from the investing public in southern states following the opening of our branch office in Bangalore. Your directors propose to redouble their efforts in this regard and have accordingly fixed a higher target. I am sure in this behalf I can count fully on your support as also of your friends and relatives. A number of finance and leasing companies the country is claiming to be the fastest growing. However, if the rate of mobilization of public deposits is taken into account, which indeed should be the real ear stick for the purpose, the assert that your company stands first in the country today, excepting for a solitary exception. Your company's record in the matter of advances during the year under review has been equally impressive. Stop.